Write a short note on Perkin reaction. Give mechanism. Solution is given below. When aromatic aldehyde react with acidic anhydride in the presence of sodium salt to form acid alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, this reaction is known as Perkin reaction. C6H5CHO is known as benzaldehyde. CH3COO COCH3, this compound is known as acidic anhydride. CH3COONA, this compound is known as sodium acetate. When benzaldehyde react with acidic anhydride in the presence of sodium acetate to form a product, this product is carbon and oxygen bond hydrolysis by H2O molecule and H positive part added with negative part and OH negative part added with positive part to form a product CH3COOH acetic acid, and this product is benzene product is in benzene hydroxide ion, carbon and oxygen bond totally migrate to the hydroxide ion to form hydroxide ion, and hydrogen between carbon bond migrate to carbon carbon double form to double bond, and H positive part and OH negative part to form H2O molecule and to the form main product alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde and common name cinnamic acid. Mechanism: Step 1. Acetic acid attack to the hydrogen to form acetic aml and acidic anhydride ion. Acidic anhydride ion attack to the benzaldehyde to the carbon atom, and carbon oxygen between bond migrate to the oxygen atom to form negative ion, and efficiency of carbon atom attack acidic anhydride anion to the carbon atom and attach the carbon atom acidic anhydride ion to form product acidic and negative charge oxide ion attack with positive charge to form a product. This product is carbon and oxygen between bond hydrolysis by H2O molecule, positive part added with negative part and negative part added with positive part to form product. In the presence of hydronium ion, carbon and oxygen bond totally migrate to oxygen, and carbon and hydrogen bond migrate to the carbon carbon to form double bond H positive and OH negative ion react to form H2O molecule, and this product is form alpha beta cinnamic acid. This product is known as alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. This product is known as cinnamic acid. All question, this question cover the question cover in this video. Next video very firstly provide. And this question is complete. This question is very important to the board examination. Okay.